was gonna say with COMEX open here, you may see a spike to break these highs here, or at least a first 5 high minimum for the zucchini. If you can break the highs and flip bearish, that'd be perfect. If you can tap into like 21 levels and then flip bearish. If not, then it is what it is. I would assume I would expect one. What's your entry here? Did you get a wick entry? We can get a wick entry. We got like close to a wick entry. It was like maybe 2 pips off.
Yeah. 1919.97.
Chat, this is now going to be a risk-free trade. We came in, we tapped that level till. I'm not going to close in just yet, but it is a risk-free trade, okay? Here's the thing.
What was your entry?
Here's the thing. You may see it continue to pop up.
Nah.
I'm going to do actually. I'm going to close half here of my positions, all right? I'm going to close half of my positions, chat. And I got like a half running, all right? So we closed half just now at roughly 17 pips, and now I got the rest running towards TP at 1910. Cool. So like a couple things. Yeah, you came down, you tapped into that minor level. This zone could reject here, right? Understand that. So that's why we closed half at. I mentioned to you guys earlier, 1918 is a pretty strong level. Before price drives up towards 1926, which is our daily target, since we're still bullish, it's got to come down and grab liquidity first. But liquidity could be anywhere. It could be 1918, could be 1910. RTP's at 1910, but if you flip on this forward candle, then you have runners for days today.
Many days.
I don't know, man, but our monsters is like, no, fuck, damn it, fuck, why? How, bro? How does this guy keep doing this?
We'll end the week with no content.
Fuck. Like, fuck, man, how? Our monster can't get away with this, man. Shit. I've been training
Can't keep letting him get away with this. Someone's got to do something.
No, for real, chat. You guys can close full if you guys want, whatever you guys want to do. I still got runners here because we have a wick entry. So, like, if it does re-break the highs, then obviously it's going to continue to drive up, right? But with the way the 1 hour looks here, it just looks like there's like, it was a very weak bullish candle, right? And you had that range to fill, but I don't know if you can continue. So since you have a wick entry, I'm let it rock. I'm not going to like, you know, close anything here. We already closed half. We already secure like basically 10 half, basically. So now it's just a matter of where it's going to drive to.
I said he risked 900% to make 100%. I don't know how he does it. That's how. I love people.
Chad, the reason why I also, going back to the trade, the reason why I also wanted a top wick first is because like you need liquidity to drive down. Like this, you see how we drove down first? This might just be liquidity to drive up, right? So this kind of might end up doing something like this if it does flip. You have about a minute and a half left though, so if you do close bearish and you survive a top wick, chances of you surviving the runners are a lot higher. But right now it's looking like we may flip bullish off of the 5, just because again this could just be a bond wick for us to go up towards 1926 now. We'll see what happens here. What's your entry wicks? A wick entry or not?
97.
97. I got 99.
99.
I wanted 2000.40, but unfortunately, we
guess what? I'm gonna put my stops at 2000. So what? I lose 0.3 of a pip, but
the half closure.
Yeah, I got.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, since you have a half closure or secured, you can just move stocks to current high.
I can move it to the candle high.
Yeah, like that's not too bad. Yeah.
You're still winning the trade, right?
Yeah.
Even if it hits the candle high.
Yeah.
And plus, I secured half at 20, so that's basically 10 pips.
That's smart.
We could be using brain often.
Let's see who survives though, man. This 5's gonna close up here. We got survivors pull back. There's no top wick. Chances of you creating a top. I think even if you create a top wick though, you can get stopped out though. So I don't know if I want to move it to the break of the highs, because if you create a top wick, I'll assume it's gonna tap like 20.8 or something. 20 point. 9.
Even at 20 pips, we caught 10 pips. Again.
Chad, you know we're just trolling half the time, right? Don't take it too serious. It's a constant battle between our monsters, but you know, there's no, you know, you can believe
Sounds
what
like
you believe in.
inside the bottle. Yes. This is my
The
one
genius,
and only
you're
bank.
the genius at the bottle.
Yeah. Better not fucking rub nothing over here. Leave my bottle alone. I'm the genie inside the Ziploc bag.
Why did people still challenge? What happened? Oh, why do you guys put the down? Or these guys missed the entries? That's tough. It was hovering there for like a good 5 minutes before it came down, so you had chances to enter anyways at the entry point. Took 11 pips. Nice. I don't know, man. We gotta go top wicker or something. Looking a little naked here, bruh.
Covered for exactly 9 minutes. You had damn near 2 5-minute candles to make a decision. The fuck? 9 minutes.
I'm just gonna look at the 1 hour time frame. The 5 looks a little wonky right now. No top wick. If you look at the 4 chat and the 1 hour time frame, it might make a lot more sense to you in the 4 and the 1 hour. You know, the 5s though looking like you may come to retest the highs, but you know this will make yourself look a little better.
Yeah. The 4-hour flips, you're good. But
4-hour flips, you are good.
The way that 30, that 15 started coming up, hourly.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, it's gonna flip and drive to the top to 1922, 23 area.
Risk 90 pips to make 6 pips or 10 pips.
I don't know how he keeps doing it.
Congrats, chat. It's just about, you know, runners now. I want runners, obviously, right? Like you always want, especially with these entries too. The chances of you getting runners are a lot higher than in the past because you're getting wick entries now, right? Like that was literally a wick entry, but now it's just like,
She's a runner. She's
if it could run and fucking pulling back. The thing is, like, there's no motion printed yet, so that's why I'm just kind of like, I don't know yet. But once, like, remember yesterday, chat, I was talking about the probability scale? Or no, that was like 2 days ago, the traumatizing day, right? We're talking about the probability scale. Let's say this is the probability scale, and this is the center of the line, right? Right now, this is like runners, so runners, and this is BE. Right now, it's sitting maybe like on a probability scale, it's sitting like around here, because you don't have a top wick yet. But once you get a top wick, it's gonna be here, and then obviously it's gonna get closer to the runner point. But you just gotta survive these zucchinis and survive the motion here, and you'll be good. But
is that our trade's life?
Yeah, that's our trade's life
bar.
That's the life bar. Now it's just hovering. It's like dun, 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 dun.
Damn, this shit's damaged.
It's over here.
Give me a med kit. I need a med kit. It's tough.
Hey, gotta be real, man. Even though we're in trade, you know, just because we're in a sell doesn't mean we gotta say it's gotta go down from here. You gotta be logical, right? Gotta be logical.
You know, if last year somebody in chat told me they got an entry at 1919.99 in this trade, I'd laugh them off the fucking stream. I would have laughed them off the stream.
No, we actually got the exact entry.
Now we got the entry. I'd be like, so you telling me that you were able to get in right in this motherfucker? Oh wait, I'm on the wrong screen. Sorry, chat, I'm on the wrong screen. You telling me you were able to get in right here?
Last year, I'm not gonna lie. If someone told me that, I'd be like, all right.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, all right. Like, okay now. Where's that
and
sound?
You're gonna close out.
Oh no, wrong sound. Fuck. Yeah, and you're closed out right here at 1910 at the wick exit.
Wick exit.
Okay. Okay, this is decent now, chat. You know, the probability scale. First thing to do is create a top wick here. So right now we pull back to maybe here. But once you break the highs here and you flip bearish and break the lows, you're back to like here. You're back to the midway point. Chances of you surviving is a lot higher than it is now. So let's see what this does here. But this is a very crucial zone here. You just gotta grab liquidity here or come up create a high, but you want to see the break of the highs, ideally. Because if you don't, then at any given point, you might just see boop, boop, boop. And you don't want to see boop, boop, boop. You want to see boop, down, right? Sniper entry, fair value gap. If that was a fair value gap, then hey, man, we gotta rename it. Because we use no indicators to find that. No indicators, nothing. Just support and resistance. Just drew a line and a couple boxes looking to the left and said, yep, that's gonna be the spot.
Where's the gap though?
Shit, on a 1 minute time frame. How much do you risk R like that? I pop 30. I pop 30s. No, so like right now my current loss has 30 lots.
So does half the stream, but they ain't that profitable though.
My stops was 100 pips
It's
there.
easy.
So that was like what, 30K, 35K, or 30K. So if it's 30K, what's 30K of 948K? How much is that, chat? Maybe like, let's see, 30 divided by 948. 3%, 3% risk of the trade, right? Of overall accounts, probably like 1.5% risk, to be honest, or 1% risk of, because I risk my overall, you know, trading capital, not just my one account. But yeah, something like that. Can we run here, man? Can we run here? I really want runners, child, obviously, right? We haven't had a runner in ages here. Ages. This is a pretty strong level here, 1918. If you close below 1918, you create a top wick, then you're golden. Should see a drive of NYC open. But this is likely the last trade of the day, to be honest. I don't think I'm taking another trade today. I think this is it. It's either this one, or if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. We've made profit. Call it a Friday, early Friday, you know? Up on Wix's agent session. Ain't that right, innit? Oh, shit.
We ain't even have NYC open yet.
I have to record that journal. Man, Chad, this new journal is gonna take hours to record. Good luck, Wix. Good luck, Wix. It takes like a good 20 minutes to record journals now.
I'm not doing that shit.
I need a assistant to help me record the trades on the journal. Man, because the journal is next level now. Like, do you guys see this journal? Look at this. Look how it's called the buff journal. Look how D's the journal is. Like, look what we gotta use here.
You said journals.
Look at all this. Yeah, explain everything. The pineapple. That's not it. Look. What setup? What time frame? Logical levels. Select the time frames. Expecting. How many pips it came down to. Like, yo.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Dude, like, this is gonna take me hours. I might need an assistant to do this for me. That's coming out next year, though, for you guys, so don't worry. But we evolved, right? Everyone's using this now. Everyone copied us. Or not copied, but everyone, you know, took our journal. But we gotta evolve it now. We gotta make it better.
I think we close bullish.
Yeah, it's rejecting that level pretty heavy. And you can't print the zucchini. The 15 closed bearish, though. I mean, shit, the 1 hour's a wick entry, so we need to look at that.
I mean, this is a runner, right? You can close another half or something.
I was not allowed to rock, honestly.
Full TP?
Yeah, or 1914, 1910. I have a decision to make on 1914, but I'll make a decision when I get there.
Bring it back to 2020.
I was expecting price to come down, tap its level, and then make its way up, you know, late in live news, but if it continue to push down before news, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, Don used to say, TP or break even at this point, chat. That's it.
The runner.
It's either full TP or break even at this point, chat. That's it. We're just gonna leave it.
So you move into the break of the highs, right? This 15 close, this 30 close doji, respecting support. Yeah, Chad, you may end up closing the break even. You may end up hitting the break even here, but I'm saying let it rock. But be firm with that decision, okay? If you're closing that break, if you close half here, and you have runners and you're set at break team, don't be mad if it comes up. Don't be like, man, shit, I knew I should have closed it. Because if you knew you should have closed it, you would close it right now. Right, this is your time to shine. This is what makes or breaks you as a trader. Being true, staying true to your plan.
I mean, most people here know what they're in for, right?
Yeah.
They're aware already. They're used to it. And I mean, this is a W. They've sat through, drawdowns. They sat through hour streams. They sat. Like most people here know what the deal is. You really have to be fairly new to be uncomfortable in a position here. Like every position is taken over and over. It's the same position every single day. You should be finding your comfort level pretty quickly in the stream, and then it shouldn't go away because there's not much switching. Same position every day.
Yeah, you're gonna notice that too. If you're new, you're not gonna notice it, but after some time, for sure, you'll be like, okay, yeah, this is a typical move.
And the good thing is about the same position every day, you get to see the risk management in different ways, and then just decide what's better for you.
What
The
entry
reason we
is this?
sign
Liquidity?
make money.
What was the entry off of? The one?
I was driving up. You had the top wick.
4 hour.
Top wick entry.
4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, wick entry. This is gonna take a mad minute. This count's hovering here. I don't know. McCray at top wick feels kind of high. Is there resistance here that I closed below? Let's see. There's a level at 1919, but I didn't tap 1919. That's a resistance, so it must be a little lower here. But maybe here. I mean, that's the only thing I see. Maybe 1918, but
very minor.
Yeah, you gotta like break the lows here in order for us to continue driving.
I think a closure below 1918.3. 1918.1. Even a 5 closure below there after you've just made that top wick and rejected, you should continue down to the bottom of the range as long as it closes below. Yeah. You wouldn't have tapped this area, right? You would have drove straight through it.
To 1919 at least, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At this moment, if it closes below this area, I think you're good to go.
The good thing about a journal like this is it doesn't force you to take stupid trades, because for every trade you take, you gotta journal the trade, and it's a lot of work to journal these trades.
Can't jump right back in.
Yeah,
you can't jump right back into the charts.
It's a lot to do. Like, look at this chart. What was the TP level based off of? The 4 hour time frame? I don't even know. I think it was a 4 hour time frame, right? Because we placed, the 4 hour candle was the entry, so like
it really came down for comics. That's right.
Yeah, comics. I thought it was gonna push up first, then come down, but comics, I guess.
Comics.
Break even point. What was the break even point again? I forgot. Support. 1 hour support. Yeah.
1918 was.
But like, what was that though? Like, what was that deal? I think it was just like support there, right? Or was it?
That was just the next. That was the next level. Actually, the market was driving. So then you had the next candle start printing if it was going to come back up against you. And I think the next candle started with a bottom wick, right away.
How do I use a checkbox? There's no checkbox here. Yeah, oh, it's many. How do I use the checkbox? Oh, he's doing it right now. Nice. Okay, nice. So, W of it. Just added checkboxes for me, just like that. So that was checkbox alignment. Time frame we used was definitely the 4-hour candle is key, right? 4-hour, and then the 1-hour as well, because they closed the weak bullish candle that I mentioned. So the 4-hour candle liquidity, 1-hour top wick. It was the 5-4 like levels we were tapping to the left, or was the 15? I think it was the 15 to the left. So 15, 4, and 1 was what we used there. Liquidity, yeah, those liquidity. Liquidity time frame, we looked at it on the 4-hour scale, I think. Yeah, 4-hour scale.
I mean, it was top down. This one, it was everything 4-hour and everything below it.
Yeah, but like for like the exact like 4-hour top, I guess it was the 1-hour. I think it was more of the 1-hour because the 1-hour close week bullish.
The final confirmation, what would it be? Honestly, for me,
Wait, Elvis, what's this one mean? What's the W one? There's no description here.
The trade.
It's not on stream. 1-hour. I don't know. It's what you're expecting. No, this one. Oh, expecting. Okay, so what are we expecting here? We expected like the overall trade we expected. I guess it was the.
Yeah, it's just like, so for this trade, what did I put? I was expecting the hourly to grab liquidity, right? So I put hourly H1 liquidity.
H1 liquidity. Okay,
So,
I see.
or
I see.
You could say 4-hour. Or whatever,
oh, yo, you mind just moving this to the right then? That might make more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1-hour liquidity. And what's this? Pips max so far, or what was that?
So that's automatic. Just don't touch that.
Okay.
And then you haven't closed anything, but
lots,
you have one
30.
lot, which is 30, right? And then you have stacked 0 and 0 unless you stack there, and then your win or loss, you do that later on.
Okay. All right. So the rest is just later on. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm using it for the first time now, chat. That's why I'm like, we're working on like improving it before we finalize everything. But I just wanted to get started, and then maybe next end of the year we might have a better link for you guys. It's gonna be cool too, cause like I was talking about we're like, we can now see over time, we could then see like, for instance, like if you're looking at the sell page, the new sell page right now looks like this, right? It shows like these probabilities, these stats. But when you look at the new one, it might be like probability for the sell for the pineapple, liquidity 4-hour top wick using these time frames. If you get that much data, it will show you the exact setup to the T. It won't be vague. It won't just be like, oh yeah, we took a 1-hour wick fill and the flip. Because sometimes you might take a breakout, but we don't know if it's a breakout flip or a breakout wick that gave us the 82% win rate on the breakout. But now it's kind of like, okay, we know the exact setup now and the exact win rate. And with this data, we can even make an EA, to be honest, over time. But that's gonna take years. And if I make the EA, I'm not gonna release it, obviously.
Obviously, no one's getting it.
Because like, it's not how it works. If you release an EA, everyone uses it, it's not gonna work.
Oh, hold on, chat. There's gonna be a waiting list. You're gonna have to sign up for a wait list, and then we're gonna choose 500 people from that wait list, right? And then those 500 people will fly down to Miami, and there's gonna be a raffle. Right? Reza's gonna host the raffle, actually. We're gonna choose names out of a hat. There's gonna be 500. You remember, 500 papers in a hat. Maybe 2 hats. And whoever's name is chosen, that's gonna be the person that gets to come up and actually go choose the winner's name. Be tight as hell. Y'all chose my name for me to come up choose somebody else? Imagine. The first draw is for the name that gets to go choose. The worst.
Never ending cycle.
Everybody.
Oh wow. We might have survived there. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, probability scale looking a little good now. We're at the 60% mark. Like, no, maybe 55, 55, 54, not 60 yet. 60 if we survive the 1 hour pullback. Last 15 here too, so we have a bottom wick there. If you pull back here and you break the lows, and you're at 65. If you flip on the forward and you're at like probably 80. We might meet the 10% allegation stage, chat, finally. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
The buff journal needs to be made to an app version. No, honestly, yeah, we ideally I would want to have an ecosystem for DVS and only our trading strategy. Like if you trade a different strategy, it's not gonna work as well with the journal because you don't trade the way we do. So that's why like these things will make sense to you, right? Like what the hell is this? You know what I mean? But if you have to trade the way we trade in order to use the journal, and that's why we made it. It's just for us to use.
Wrong stream, Peter. You're on the wrong stream. Who's
You really hit that mill. I'm not gonna hit a million without the TP. I don't think so. Nah, I'm making like 14K probably. If it hits TP.
You're gonna hit a pre-milli right here.
A milli.
You didn't even need a contract for that.
4-hour flip really is all we want here. If you can flip and break the lows and close below the range, you're looking good. Chat, who's still in right now? We got drawdown again as usual. I don't know what you watching, bro.
Don's still holding. But you get upset when we hold drawdown. Then you get upset when we hold runners.
Yeah.
Like, pick one. The fuck? Get upset at one thing. You get one thing.
This game's not fair, huh?
Can't be pissed at everything.
Shadow, what's going on? Nah, just, you know, at this point, I think it's just like, fuck, it was accepted for what it is, man. No matter what we do, you know, I'm just gonna focus on trading, and that's about it, man. But everyone's always has something to say about, you know, whatever. So it is what it is now. I'm not gonna lie. Lately, though, we've been receiving a lot of backlash for the way we've been trading, and I don't know why. Because lately, if anything, we've had our best months, and I don't know. It's just weird. I don't know. This is weird. Like I'm just trading. I've never talked about bad about our strategy ever. But I feel like, you know, the way we trade, people get intimidated. It's like, oh, these guys are trying to be different. Like I'm not even trying to be different. I'm just trying to adapt to the market if that's being different. I'm being profitable if that's the difference, right? Like, but I don't know, man. Man, to be tripping out here. Just be tripping, man. But I guess it just takes time, right? I think when we first introduced like the fake out stuff, people were just in the same boat kind of too. Like 2 years ago when we introduced range 1, range 2 stuff, people were like, I don't know, Don. Like I missed the old Don, right? It's always like that saying. And I think for every, you know, thing we evolve into, it's gonna be the same.
Adorable. How far you come? What?
Have you heard a word of wisdom? Yeah, I'm hopping on his podcast. He invited me onto the podcast like a month and a half ago. I'm flying out there in January.
Blackened.
So in January, I'm doing an event in London, right? We're doing an in-person, and we're doing a meet and greet again, just like we did in Florida, and it's gonna be sick. And I'm also hopping on that podcast too. So second podcast I've ever been on. Chat, what should I say? Any plugs, chat? I can plug anything you guys want.
Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern.
Asian session. You know what we should do here?
Postpone. Can we play a Snapple? I mean, a Wordle?
Snapple? That drink?
A Wordle?
No.
Let's play a Wordle.
No, we got runners here. I'm gonna do something real quick.
What was that target right there?
Huh? I'm
What was
gonna
that
do
target?
something real quick. I finally get to do it. After studying on Instagram and people's entries all day long, finally, it's my time to shine.
Are you gonna post an ICT chat or something?
Nah, it's my time to shine. Jeez, this is what they be doing, right, chat? Something like this. They cover a lot size up, and they be like, "Hold on." They be like, "Hold on. We gotta remove all the trading history stuff."
Nah, you gotta get the smiley face with the horns.
Here we go. Jeez, hold on. It's our time to shine. How do you do it? The 1 minute? Yeah, our time to shine. Look at this. Oops. Our time to shine. Finally.
You ain't stretched the chart.
Oh wait, no, yeah, they have their charts a little more squished, right? They have it like this. This is how they have it. This is how the Instagram views have it, yo. Jeez. Finally, after years and years of trying to evolve, we finally got it. That's a sniper, man. That is a sniper. Will it go down? I don't know, man. These are runners here. I'm expecting to continue driving down here, but it's just like a matter of time. At this point, if we can survive these pullbacks on the new 1 hour candle, especially, I may end up moving my stop loss in the 1 hour above the candle high though, because that might make more sense.
Sharpshooters.
Sniper entry tap in.
Is your Zoom open during New York? No, only Don Zoom.
Oh, by the way, chat, leave a like and sub to the channel if you guys are new, or if you guys chat 500 likes today, guys. Damn, 597. That's a little. I haven't asked for likes all day, but I thought you guys would have done a little better than that. Wix gets more likes than
Early. I do. It's early though.
It is early, like this trade.
But why you say like even Wix gets more likes than that? Like
because
what's wrong with that?
You get more likes than me.
What's wrong with that? Hold on.
You get more likes than me.
Wait a minute. Hold on. I was gonna go get something, but this is worth the conversation. Why you say that?
You get more likes than me. More likes, more views. You got more views than me there day during Asian session. Yesterday, right? Or 2 days ago.
No, you deserve more likes. Absolutely. That's a fucking out of control entry. This month, chat, has been out of control. It's almost over, and it hasn't seen a loss.
You see Raj's video he posted? Yeah, I saw it. That's the second time I made that video. I mean, it's not my broker, right? So I don't really have much to say. He was just talking about the latency on Blueberry, which it's happened.
Same video?
It happened on this trade too. But
wait, a new video?
No, I think he posted the same example but different video to promote Dominion. Yeah, it's not my broker, so I got nothing to say, or I'm not like against it. Like that's what happened, right? Straight up.
He's not wrong.
He's not wrong, right then. he shot us out.
Pointing it out.
Yeah. It wasn't like being rude about it. He just said, my fellow over here, so it's chill. I talked to him, so it's chill. What do you guys expect? Some drama?
What up, Classic? What's up, Classic? Just seeing right now. I got these two little quick trades right here. I did the one Don did right here, and then I did a little 3-piece that went up real quick on these. Look, 1, 2, 3 right here, and then back up. But I got out of all of them already, so I just secured like 20 pips real quick.
An upgrade to an actual entry-level supercar, but not for a while. I gotta take care of some stuff, take care of some people first, and then get that stuff. I only got the M4 as my first car because like one, it wasn't anything too crazy, but it was good enough to start with my first car after just getting my license. And I'll say it's a pretty M4 is a pretty humble car, right, Charles? Say for the most part, like it's not my supercars, right? But I just gotta take care of some stuff first, and then maybe like, in a couple of years, year or two, or maybe next year, I might get a supercar. But probably SVJ or 765 LT. That's it. Those are my supercars. Or SF90, but likely not. Likely it's gonna be SVJ. I really want that SVJ. That's my dream car. I just gotta take care of some people first, People want me to Wix. What you want? What contract you want?
Yo.
DVS got you guys.
Yo, what
So,
up?
by the way, chat, if you guys want DVS contracts, you guys better start streaming now. Cause
If you could just get me like a month's supply of Chef Boyardee for the end of the world, we good, bro. Just get me some canned food.
Alright, sounds like a plan.
And we good. Here's the thing though, I'm gonna need the SVJ in my garage whenever you're living over there in the 6.
Just move into the garage. You can move into the garage, you got some space in there.
Oh, Chad, we got matching SVJs. He's getting a life size, I'm getting a 1 to
You took a
5.
buy, nice. Yeah, I took a little buy right here on his little 3-piece. Look, this long one, and then there was a small one. And then once this wick closed underneath that bottom of that first wick, it drove back up to grab liquidity, and on that little drive is where I got out.
He's doing an IG video and I'm not in it. What? He's not talking, chat. He's shooting something. He's not talking to you, guy. Muted. He muted the mic so he can do an IG video. He's shooting a reel right now.
Yeah, I'm shooting a video, chat.
Damn, I don't know how to mute Zoom audio. Oh, you're in the Zoom?
This is the last trade of the week, though, chat. So, don't expect another position today. This is it. But we can watch it run together. We can watch it, see if it runs or not. It was a pretty good week, though, right? I'll say for the most part. I mean, it was an interesting day, though. But I'll say it's been a pretty good week on both streams, really. I could close fold, but you know what? I'm still expecting to drive up. Oh,
nice.
Move my TP back. So.
Yeah,
I'm still expecting to drive
were you
up
able to
today,
get into any trades today, Classic?
26, but you need a bond wick first, and it makes sense if the 4 count closes the way it is, and the next 4 breaks the lows and taps 1910, 1911. I might move my TP to here, but that's about it. 1912. Honestly, it's not. I'm expecting still to continue down before we drop up. So. And we have a sniper entry, so the chance of us surviving the highs are a lot higher, right? Now it's just about, again, if we could drive or not, but...
You only got a minute left here. Once you get that 4-hour close, you can look for the bottom wick on the next 4 hour, and that's what happens first. You can close out. If it makes a top wick and then start driving, then...
Look at what's forming. Possible 3-piece. It does look like we're coming down, so I mean, this was a 3-piece to grab liquidity to come back down. But the reason why I figured it would go up is because it came down, then up. So what I'm going to expect is that if this one comes up and then comes down, I'll take that little 3-piece. But if it comes down and up, I could possibly even take a 3-piece like that. Full at 15. Yeah, bro, I caught 15 pips. Oh, my God, bro. That's what's up. I'm glad. How many trades is that in a row probably for you? That's probably like 3 or 4 for you, right? That's good, bro. I'm proud of you. I'm glad you were able to get that.
It's not about,
like I said, every single day, chip away at it little by little. Like I said, let's do 10 pips a day, 5 days a week. That's 50 pips. At the end of the month, that'll be 200 pips. At the end of the year, that'll be 2,400 pips. You know what I mean? So it's the long, steady game. Long and steady. Watch this. Look at this. Look at 3-piece. Watch this 3-piece.
Ooh,
Watch this 3-piece.
down, opened up.
First.
Watch this quick
Considering closing,
3-piece.
Like, maybe at one, like,
If it breaks the low, you probably think about closing.
I close like another 5 lot here, to be honest. I close a 5 lot, and then I'll move. Now I'm at 10 running. I'll probably move my stops to like the breaker this high. So we close a 5 lot.
If it breaks the low,
hit stops,
I
we'll
might
just
get
keep
in. I don't know. I'm gonna see.
here,
This 3-piece hasn't
we
failed me
hit the
yet, so
exposure, so we'll
I might
lose.
just need
So
a,
we secure-
you know what I
we
mean?
secure $4,000 so far. And if
So the
we
3-piece would
close
be
like
right
3.5,
here where this is at.
secure like 3.7.
10 pips would be right here.
But yeah.
See, that was the move I would have probably needed or wanted.
It's gonna be around here probably, like 1918. If it's not, then it's gonna be 1919.27. That might be pushing it a little bit, but every time you drove down, right? Like looking at this, and you're looking at this, you tap to here first. So chances of
I
you,
think
you
if
know,
it breaks this low,
really tap into our range is a little high. But once you tap that level and you reject and break the lows, then yeah, you're highly likely to continue down towards 1911. We're just chilling though, chat. Just chill Friday.
oh damn, there it
Just
is.
relax,
That's
you
the
know?
move. I mean, but then again, the 3-piece is still technically legit. But I won't take it. I'm already kind of.
Go to work.
The trading views
I'm a
for
little.
you, but you're not gonna see trading view only when he turns it on.
See, this could be a possible 3-piece coming down though too. I'm wondering if this could be
I mean,
3-piece
you're not
coming
gonna see
down.
MT5,
If it's
and
still look at
trading view
perfect.
freezes whenever
That
you
might have
switch
been
off-
it.
off of it
Watch.
into MT5, so
That might have been the move right there. That's the 3-piece. So what I'm thinking, I'm noticing, it's which
What do you share on Zoom?
30 pips a day. I like your style, bro. It's funded material. I'll be here every day, but always tuned in when Dawn's on, taking notes for days. Hey, bro, that's true. When I'm on stream, I'm listening to Dawn. Also, you know, I'm definitely listening because I'm on a learning path right now. Nothing is. I don't have my final system yet. You know what I mean? At 30 pips a day, bro. Imagine 30 pips a day, 5 times a day, bro. 5 times a week. That'll be what is that? 30 pips times 5. That'll be 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 a week. 600 a month. Come on, bro. Slow and steady wins the race. That's all we need, bro. We don't need to hit 100 pips a runner, 1 to 10 RR. You know, man. Slow and steady, because why? We got that 3-piece. That 3-piece will always secure us at least 10 pips. Look, you already doing, aren't you? You already doing it, aren't you? Well, yesterday I did it. Today I'm doing 20 pips, but I didn't take this 30 today. So it just, my goal is to do as many as I can today. I mean, if I could find 5 of them, shoot, I'll probably take 5 of them. But like I said, yesterday I was able to get 30. Today it got 20. So if this third one works out, then that would have been the 30. But I don't think I'm gonna take this one because this one is a little bit. If I'm still thinking it's gonna work out. Nice 10 pip minimum, bro. It's a good start. Yeah, that is. It's a good strat. Yeah. Like I said, I like that little 10 pip because I don't need a lot, and I trust that I could find more of them, because this little 3-piece happens all day, every day. It doesn't stop, and this is where I'm saying is I think it works on all markets. And look, this was the move. So look at this is what I'm noticing with the 3-piece. All right, I kind of just figured it out right now. Look, this was a 3-piece, right? It broke the low first, so you would take it up. This one was a 3-piece also, but instead of breaking the low first, it broke the high first. So what I'm thinking is that whichever way it breaks first is the way it's gonna go, like the opposite. So if it breaks the high first, most likely it's gonna go down. If it breaks the low first, most likely it's going to go up, because it's only going up. Like I said, it needs to break either the high or low first, and whichever way it breaks first is the way it's going to go the opposite, because it needs to grab liquidity. You know what I mean? So like if it breaks the high, look at, see, this is the one. This is what I'm
Why
saying.
not me?
Because it closed before. Because it
Is you
closed
right here?
above high and then
Is
down.
over here? I get
That
you
is
out
what's
today.
probably confirmed that little move. So that's, like I said, the reason why I didn't take it, because I'm literally just coming up with that right now. But it's because I use these two examples right here to point that out. It kind of just made sense right now. So and it worked out perfectly because this low broke first and then this high broke first. So it's literally around the same area. But like I said, I wish I should have took that one. That would have been a nice little another 10 pipper.
17 divided by 2.
But that's why I don't mind, man. I'm confident. I know what we're looking for. And it also helps too
8.5.
having
Nice.
Don kind of giving us
You know what? I'm just gonna put 8.
levels
I'll
of
give you
interest,
guys
because his levels are
8.5.
perfect.
Because
And then I
if
kind of
went
just use
9,
my 3-piece on his
Don,
levels, and
no, you can't do that. You can't
look,
do
there
that.
goes
It's
the
illegal.
there goes the 10 pip move
45
again.
Nine, and it's
That
already-
was the 10 pip.
already
Look,
10.
Technically,
10
you should
pips
round
right
up,
here
but
at this
you know what?
line.
I'm gonna avoid all of
Surely
that
round
and just
up.
put
Dotted
8.
line is
I'm
10
gonna put 8,
pips.
okay?
That would have been it.
But
Round up to the nearest 100.
next
Oh
time
my
something
God.
happens and we're half a pip, do not complain.
All right, man. I'm not mad. The only thing is I'm just mad. Not mad, but just like frustrated that I can't trade no more after this
Yeah,
New
so I
York
said, don't
session.
go
So,
transform. I'll go day today. Lock it in.
you know, the whole weekend I'm gonna just be sitting around, hanging around. You got TradingView Pro? I don't got TradingView Pro. I need to. That's another thing I need to start doing. But kind of what I'm waiting to do is so I could be a little bit more profitable. Because like I said, I'm making profits right now, but the way I've been trading for the last 2 weeks, I haven't been able to trade this whole time. These last 2 weeks have been probably my best trading I've ever done. I'm at the peak of my trading, but I know I'm barely learning. So the thing is 5 months ago, I wouldn't even be close to where I'm at.
10, 11, 12,
I wasn't even making money with real money yet. But like I said, in the last 2 weeks, I've been able to really confirm that, yeah, I know what I'm doing now. I know that,
most we won in a row in the past was,
like, you know what I mean? I know that I'm doing good. So, but yeah, like I said, get it, bro. It's worth it. I see where he gets his levels from. It'll change it. Oh, that is true, bro. That is exactly how he's able to get his levels, because he can go back so far, and that's all information that's important. So yeah, we'll definitely get that. But one thing what I was waiting to do, like I said, I got a few plans. My plan is to get into possibly, like I said, once I'm able to become a little bit more profitable with this trading, then I'm going to, like I said, it won't hurt me to spend a few extra $100 on Wix's table, Don's Zoom. You know, I want to be into those every single day pretty much. And then, like I said, I could pretty much run the London on my own. I don't really need them for that, but I could, like I said, I just want to. And then, like I said, so those would be my first two, because I understand that if I invest, I got it a week ago and freaked out. Dang, bro, that's what's up. Heck yeah. That's good, man. Yeah, because like I said, I plan on getting it. My goal is to get possibly the Wix's table and then Don's Zoom, and then after that, I'll start getting, you know, the TradingView, because I figured if I invest a little bit of money into Don's Zoom or Wix's table, the money I make from that will be able to pay for, you know, the TradingView and stuff like that. But I mean, I'm confident in my own strategy. I just, like I said, I just need to be a little bit closer to the action, and I want to be live. I don't want to be kind of delayed with YouTube. But yeah, so, but like I said, I'm happy with how everything's going. Slow and steady wins the race.
Skill set is like patience, discipline.
As you can see, also
dealing with the things that you're gonna continue to deal with for the rest of your trading career, like things like that come up over time too, right? Like at one point, I'm pretty sure I was dealing with just, you know, winning, and then it became break evens, and then it became like at the break-even stage, right? And
I just
then
want to show you.
hit,
Look
like,
at how
okay,
many
risk
subscribers
factor now, what can I
I've
risk? And
gotten
then,
in the
like,
last.
you're gonna deal with new
I got
struggles
225 yesterday.
every
On
time.
yesterday's stream, I
New
was at
struggles gonna come once you
216 or
you know,
218
came
or something
across
like that.
last
So
struggle.
I've been getting a good
And
amount
new
of
ones can pop up,
subscribers
and
every
it's just
single
about
day. So
adapting
just
and
slow
continuing
and
to adapt
steady.
to those new
Like I said, and
struggles
the
over
thing
time.
is too is
Like, that's
eventually
the
at
skill that you gotta
500
learn in trading.
subscribers,
It's
I
never
want to
gonna
be
end.
able
Like,
to
for the rest
start
of my
streaming
career, I'm gonna learn
full
new
time.
things each and every day.
You know, I want to start streaming full time, whereas, you know, I could start getting paid to start streaming. And once I'm able to get paid, then that's when I'm able to possibly, you know, quit my job. Even if I make a little bit less than my job, I'll rather do this because I see the upside to it. So once I'm able to like monetize my YouTube, it'll set me free, you know, and that way I could really focus on this trading and content and stuff, you know, because I really do enjoy this content. Freaked out, I don't know if you know, but look at, I also have a different channel. View all channels. Or let me just, I'm not even showing you on the screen, my bad. Look at, this is my channel that I'm at 225 now. So like I said, hopefully in the next, but yeah, this is also what I do. This is what I do on the side. This is also my channel. I have this channel right here. As you can see, it's the same picture. But yeah, this one has 14,000. So what I do, I pretty much just upload, I just upload like some famous rapper music video, just like a bunch of stuff. Just, I've been doing this for a while, and I got a lot of like connections through it and stuff. So this helped out a lot. So this is why too, this is my other business I'm trying to get off the floor. So once I could get this off the floor, I think it'll be, because they're all going to work together, you know. So what I'm saying is they're going to, like I said, because it's all going to be content. So as long as I'm, you know, creating the content, we'll be good. Dang, look at this runner Don has, man. That's crazy.
What's TP? TP is 1912.04. Let me just tell you guys that. I don't know. Can we run further down today? Because if you do come down towards, like, what's your TP wicks? I don't know if you're gonna flip. If you flip on the weekly today, then wow. But I don't think so, man. You need
wow,
a
look at that.
Oh,
that
wait, you have news, chat. Oh shit, you have news.
Oh yeah, we haven't even.
Oh, I might remove my TP during news and just close manually during news instead.
I just caught that breakout, another
wow,
12 pips. The one going down.
That. Be in a situation where we're in a profit.
You just did that one again? The one that was talking about like a 3-piece coming back down?
For news today? They're expecting. What is this?
Bro, that look at the wick entry would have been there. 12 pips. You got out right here. Perfect, bro. Why'd you get into it? What made you say, okay, I'm gonna get into that one?
What's gonna happen?
Man, bro, you're lucky. I should have jumped in with you. See, that's my problem. Yeah, bro. You crazy. That's crazy you were able to do that. I'm happy for you. What confirmed it for you? Was it the little 3-piece, bro? Like, is that kind of what you were like, okay, we're going to do it? But yeah, that's cool, bro. Dang, lucky.
Because that'll lead to the monthly.
But then again, it's not luck, bro. It's skill. The skill. Salary, look at the 15 and 30 and 4. 15, salary, oh, beautiful.
Swap profits.
30, still driving. We're at this pop.
Open more positions. No, that's it. That's already
there it is.
Today.
Hourly, that's still coming down. But the one thing though too, if you look right here, like how you're on the 1 hour, there's this like resistance right here, or like the support on this area over here. You can see this. There's a lot of support and resistance, right? So what's kind of showing me is that since this candle closed above all of that, even though that this candle is coming down, there's a good chance that it could always come back up, because there's still 45 minutes left in the candle. Even though this is still weird, but like I said, this candle right here could still come up and retest this high before coming back down. So I would. Yeah,
I don't
that's
know,
a
man.
good way to get
I
out.
don't know where to watch that. I think
It's a good job.
I think it should be the Federal Reserve website or YouTube Federal Reserve channel.
15
Usually
had a
it's
salary,
pretty
bro.
FOMC for all I
And
know.
if you notice, the 15 went above it, came back down perfectly. Beast, bro.
Stunning
That was
reading check.
beast. You lucky dog.
Tough.
If you look further back on TradingView Pro, a bullish trend, you see it,
Oh,
bro.
they're gonna talk about increased interest. Let me see actually.
Damn,
Let's take a look at it.
yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to
As a
get that
professional
pretty soon.
trader,
That's my
usually
next
let's
thing.
About that, I'm looking for Jackson. Okay, so you go to here, just see something around here.
And then what do you know? There could be this, because this candle's so big, it gives a good chance that this could be another 3-piece. So let's say the next one comes down and then up, I'll probably take that. I'll probably look into that again.
Yeah, you do some Google research.
Like I said, bro, the way this 3-piece is really working out, I think we could take like 40-50 pips a day, just popping them off, boom, boom, boom. Especially when we're in a trend, like let's say we're in a downtrend already. Every time you see it, you already kind of know where it's gonna go.
A lot of my analysis is just solely based off of.
But this is what I mean, though, is that you never know when the top is gonna happen.
Maybe later down the road, I'll take a deeper.
Yeah, I like your
into it.
3-piece.
Sure I will at some point, but
Oh, Fawn, what's up, brother? Just got here. You missed it. Don's on a killer trade right now. I mean, I don't know if you've been watching Don, but he's on a killer trade right now.
I don't know if I trade yet.
He's in at the top, the damn near top. Look at the peak. He's there. Wow. The freaking peak. So that's where I say it's good to have the top wick entries, because no matter what,
we're break even right now. Like
it's hard to get stopped out. And by the time it gets back up to there, you could still close. You could still close in profit.
Which will go from 12 pips secured to maybe 11 pips secured, yeah. Or 10 pips secured. It's like
oops.
The difference. So. You change the lot size? I just closed. I had a 30 lot running.
Look at that.
20 lots.
Wow, he's
right now, yeah.
Oh man, I wish I would have been able to stay in on this trade.
You hit TP.
Yep, I watch on PH on the phone.
Will this be the day?
The strange situation. What do you mean the strange situation? At same price, Nick, gold for up and Dawn for sale, and finally Dawn trade was successful and Nick stop loss hit. Are you talking about Let's Eat?
I mean, you can trade news however you want to trade news. If you think.
And then Nick opened next trade as per Dawn's trade.
I'm not here to sway.
Oh, you're talking about Nick took the Let's Eat guy took the opposite of Dawn, and then once his trade was wrong, he took what the trade Dawn took.
Off of my experience, not off of what someone else said, right? Just what I see.
That's crazy.
Shit.
Bro, that would be so crazy. Yeah, TTE Nick, time to eat trade. Yeah, dang. So his first trade lost. So he expected it to keep pumping, right? He probably seen this breakout. He probably seen that breakout up here somewhere, and was like, "Oh, we're going up to this area. We're gonna go up to that." And then what do you know? Boom. But the problem with that is that his trade should have been way down here if that's the breakout you're looking for. If the breakout you're looking for should have been out of here, and that is exactly what you would have wanted, a top and bottom wick perfectly like that. That would have been it.
Take a low of yesterday and then go up. What's your opinion?
But like I said, it's because some people, they get stuck in the whole
I believe this is a 4-up on a wick.
Like I know playbooks are meant because if you see something, but you need to see it also at a certain point. You know, you can't. Like I said, it's a weird little dance that we do when we trade. You know.
You see on that day, what percentage wise? I think I was down like maybe.
His trades are Don's old trades, but he don't use the 5-minute time frame for confirmation of drive. That is true. I do notice that. Like, that's where a lot of people are getting stopped out though. But this is the problem too. If you notice, look, this is a level 1. This is a level 2. So the thing is Don Vo's strategy still works. You can still implement that. Don Vo was saying, oh, we're going to take a short once we hit this top area. But look, a level 1, a level 2, and we're waiting to hit this top area. What do you think? That's the breakout right there. And you would probably get out around that area, you know? But that's the problem is people wait. They literally wait till this point, you know? like how much more do you want it to break for you to take a trade, you know? So that's the problem. Where the breakout was right here, he's way too late if he got up way up there. That's where the breakout. I mean, he's a great trader, don't get me wrong, but like I said, that's just the little brain fart that sometimes that we do because we don't put everything into perspective. We're only looking for breakouts. We're not looking for sales or this or that, you know? But damn, look at that. Don is killing it with that one, man. I wish I would have stayed in.
NYC open in 10.
And watch on the 5 for fake outs is elite. Yeah, that is true, bro. It is true. Like I said, once I started moving to the 5 minute, I finally understood exactly everything because I was like that. I was always on the 1 hour and 4 hours, 30 minute maybe, but the 5 minute is, yeah, TTE is still elite. Shout out Nick from Time to Eat. Yeah, like I said, it's just minor adjustments. That's it. And, you know, we all have a little, but like I said, he probably took this sell and he's probably doubling his losses already, so it kind of washed it away. But that's the ultimate goal, you know, just to avoid the losses altogether.
Let's not try my stops here.
17.
No, it's your current 50-minute highs. Oh, works for 37 on this, if worst case.
And
Don's
Don's up 5,000.
Yeah, secure stops and profit.
In range 1 and remaining lots. Yeah, I think he closed half, so it'll be 15, and then he closed another 5. So I think
you can do whatever you want to do, but that's what I'm going to do here. I'm afraid the forward count could flip here because they create a bound for the first forward count low. And this is the idea of the trade earlier.
Look what might happen.
Coming up, you need to grab liquidity.
Because Don's expecting it to possibly get rejected at this area. So what do you think could possibly happen? A possible 3-piece maybe to go back up to grab liquidity? Because if we want to continue down, we're gonna have to.
Day target, which is 1896.
We're gonna have to go back up.
26 though. I'm just gonna.
So we'll just sit and wait. See, we'll sit and wait. Don closed partial. Yeah, that's what I say. I think he did close. I think he closed maybe 20, 25.
But I'm assuming the forward count is gonna start flipping. But if you could respect these lows and close and not break those highs, then you should continue to see a drive towards what do you call this? 1913.
Yeah, that's gonna be a bottom wick right there. That's gonna be a bottom wick. But I need to see in something in the middle. I need to see a small one.
One small W for Don. One giant W.
What's the chat? Where's Mr. CJ at today? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's in the meeting.
He's got 4 pineapples open. Stack.
I wonder what Elvis is doing this trade.
He's waiting.
Chat, we should document Elvis's journey. Honestly, Elvis came to the stream not knowing shit. I'm not gonna lie, chat. He's learned a lot lately. Like he's learned a lot.
Cause he's a data person.
Yeah, guys.
He's a data person.
Your best friend.
He's a smart guy. I'm not gonna lie.
I'd be able to break down the data to help yourself.
Yeah, what I'm thinking I'm gonna try to do, maybe to hopefully, let's say like speed up the YouTube growth, is I might do like $100 challenge or something. I think next week I'm gonna trade one more week, and then the following week I'll probably do like $100 challenge. So that way I could figure out, you know, it could have like a little series, you know, a $500 challenge and stuff like that, or like 100 to 200, or just something, you know, slow and steady. Just so people, because I'm obviously not using a lot of money. I'm only using, let's say, like 500, you know. But I know a lot of people would want to use 100 and try to learn it or at least double it or something. So my goal would be to possibly try to do $100 challenge, just to help people out, and it'll be good for content also. Damn, look at this guy just running.
Find me the clip and now copy their style. Who taught you this strategy? Oh, you getting mad at me because I had a wick entry today, bro? What do you mean who taught me this strategy? The last 5 years of trading taught me this strategy.
Experience.
First, I missed the old Dawn. Now it's like, who taught you this shit, huh? It wasn't an SVG level.
Where you steal this shit?
No, it's like everybody though. Like over the years, right? All these men, all like people like Raja, Q Banks, Steve Morrow, right? But over time, you will see that I slowly drift. Like I still use everything they taught me still to today, but I'm using a bit of each person's strategy to my own, right? And like obviously, I mean, this is not how they trade, right? This is how DBS trades now with the pineapples and advantage points and all these things. So it's like we just evolve over time, but we evolve with experience. But all you gotta do really is watch the last 4 years and see how I evolved, especially the last 2 months. You'll see the whole process. It was all done live. We didn't just wake up one day and be like, yeah, we're gonna take quick entries. Like that took time. That took like we went from maybe like getting faked out in 2020 to learning about fake outs to catching the fake outs to anticipating the fake outs now. Right now we're just anticipating the fake out. Right? But that took 3 years to understand. It wasn't just like I woke up one day and boom, watch a YouTube video and that was it.
All right, look, possible 3-piece. Look, opens right there, drops. It's gonna wait out. So what I'm gonna do is wait for.
He takes off that weird looking mask. This isn't a mask. This is what I look like. Stop calling me ugly, yo.
Damn.
Yo.
What are you gonna close out here? Difference 7,800. What's the difference between $2,000? I'm gonna close full here, chat, on my positions.
I got 53 pips running.
Yeah, I'm gonna close full here, chat. Alrighty. This is a lower rejection right here at like 19. What do you call this? What's the thing called again? Oh, the 5 no bond wick. Oh wait, it does. Yeah, I closed full here at 57 pips. There's a lower rejection right around here that you could break through, but you may see a pullback before you break. So it's like if I move my stops to like in profit at 917, if you get a pullback, it'll likely be 917 before we continue to push further down. So I'm just gonna close full here, and that's it. If it runs, it runs. So be it, right? News can do whatever it wants to do, but I'm not gonna be mad. I'm not gonna be upset. I'm very
news is right now. Today, right? So maybe this might not be a good 3-piece right now to take. Because at 10 a.m. there is a red folder, and that is at 30 minutes. So I mean, in the next 5 minutes, I might be able to get in, get out.
You close full, you gotta run and start. I know your TP was 1913, so I kind of tapped it.
I closed from like 90% of the position.
Wow. For some reason, it's irrelevant, right?
Grand scheme of things, yes.
But it's the practice of it. But yeah, chat, that's it. Pretty good day. If I were to reflect on that trade, that's one thing I could have done differently, really. But it wasn't that big of a deal. It wouldn't have affected the trade setup or anything like that. If you want runners, then go ahead, have runners, have fun with news, man. I just don't know what news is gonna do here because this forward count could still flip. So I'd rather just close out here because I'm scared. That's what people say when I close out.
Have you tried that? Let's see.
Man, every day though, chat. Congratulations, man, for those that stuck by through Wednesday
and
/ Thursday.
Have you tried that?
For those that was here through that whole entire process.
No deposit bonus. Oh, I haven't tried it yet.
Today's trade paid off.
I'm going to in the next few days, like probably this next Monday coming up.
And the streak continues, man.
I'll probably do it this next Monday coming up. I was looking into it a little bit, but yeah, I definitely got to look into it a little bit more. Like I said, I want to try it. Yeah, like the only thing is I just gotta wait to hopefully see if it, plans out. Yeah, look at this thing still running.
If it comes down 900K, now we'll drop probably like a decent, but I'll see. We'll see where life takes me here in the next couple months.
Blueberry back offices right now. All right, back to shit up. We're going out of business.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, I'm going to definitely try to look into that.
Let me just make some clips here real quick.
And I do want to make my stream kind of like Don's too eventually, where I have a camera, I have some times up there, I have the trade records and stuff like that. I'm not good at all of this yet.
So now it's like,
I'll
chat,
get good,
now?
but like I said,
then
that's another learning curve I have to go through.
I might stay to watch news here, but
it's like, whoa, damn, this thing is still running. Damn. But yeah, like I said, it's just so much. It took me a while to just learn how to stream on OBS. It took me a second to install it and do all that. But now that I got the hang of it, it's super easy. But like I said, it's just all the little extra things.
So I was expecting like maybe an extra like 6-10 pixel drawdown before coming down, but I guess that was it. This one just came down no top wick. One entry for news, please? No. It's a Friday. We donezo here, man. We donezo here, unfortunately. No need to take another trade today, right? You did your job. The job was to come in, follow your plan, trade, finish your job.
And if you look at these candles, this is why it's a good idea. Probably why you shouldn't get out yet. We got a lower high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So as long as we don't break it again, it's just going to be the same thing. Lower low, lower high, just all the way down till it goes like that. So that's one of the things that it's a good way to, I guess, now that I see it, it makes sense. That's one of the things about trading is that there's 100 different things that you kind of have to remember, so that way you could use them all to your advantage, like just knowing the higher lows in the moment while you're in the trade, so that's one thing too, is the hard part is being able to access all that information that you need when you need it, so
just made some wheels money.
Alright, yeah. I'll probably get off stream in a bit too once Don gets off.
It's about the percentages you made today, right? So chat, what percentage you make today on today's trade? I think I made 1%. Because 3%, 3.6% was 30K, right? So I risked 3% to make 1% today. I made 1%, which is pretty good. I think the FX book is up like to 12% or 13% for the month now. Yeah, 13%. I'm assuming so because like yesterday you had what do you call this? Yesterday you had yesterday the account was sitting at 11%. So I'm guessing today's win will be like 13% or something like that. Wow, our RR is positive this month, man. It was 1.4. Last month our RR was 0.9. No free promo.
How's a W trade, man?
Yo, what's up, bro?
How's it going?
Yo, you close out full?
Yeah, I closed early though.
Early? Nice. Where'd you close?
I think it was about 17 pips.
Why'd you close?
Oh, why did I close? Oh, I had a work call. I didn't
I see.
Because I'm like in a trade and I'm on a work call, I'm like looking all at my other screens and I feel like it's so obvious that I'm like doing something other than work.
Yeah, sniper entry too though?
Yeah, no, it was a nice entry. I had a little bit higher.
Mm.
I was like waiting for that 1 minute, and like I was basically watching the 1 minute chart like a psycho.
Good work.
But yeah,
Closing
I
the 30 minute.
yeah, it was a nice close. Honestly, really nice close from you guys. It's absolute runner.
I think it's gonna continue to drive up here. Is the 4-hour close? The 4-hour flip here. If it flips, man, you're gone. I'm surprised you didn't get an entry here too, miss. Over here for buys, knowing you.
Yeah, I'm
Knowing you
trying
and
to keep.
Elvis.
I'm trying to keep it chill for the rest of the day.
What'd you do this month so far? Like 30%?
I don't know. I have to work it out, but I started a new funded as well, like 2 days ago.
Oh, why 2 days ago?
I just thought I should.
I'm kidding.
No, I like starting a new funded because I was like, oh, you know what? I just want a second one.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Were you in drawdown on the first one?
Yeah, but I only popped 0.5s, and I didn't actually take the trade the other day either.
It makes sense. Like if you're a drawdown on the first one, you kind of have
Yeah.
no choice.
Well, that's what I say to
Now,
everyone.
if you win the first one, you get a second one because you're gonna win anyway.
Yeah, exactly. The thing with the funded, like I always say, like your only like criteria is down. So like, why would you risk more than you're willing to get on daily drawdown? You're just gonna end up closing the trade early, and it will reverse, or you'll just end up hitting daily drawdown. Might as well just lower risk and just make less money, and it just take you longer.
So you're gonna trade 2 funded accounts right now.
Yeah, I got 2 funded accounts and a live account. I got one on each monitor.
Got a trade copier, or you're just taking
No.
Why don't you get a trade copper? Get what's that thing called?
Social trader tools.
Yeah, social trader tools.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting it, but
Social trading tools. Have you ever heard of that? Social trading tools.
Just need a reason to get rid of you.
Yeah, that is actually true. Yeah.
Don't give them a reason.
Yeah, there's a lot of sketchy rules that I found in a lot of funded, so. But yeah, that was a real nice trade. That wick entry is unreal.
Yeah. It wasn't our best one, but it is what it is.
Yeah, I just keep rewatching the streams at night. I just sit there and just watch your entries. I'm trying to perfect it because it's just unreal. The advantage which you have on a wick entry. I love the ones where like the 4-hour will close like respecting an area or close like below a range, and then it just starts yeeting the opposite way. You're like, mate, you can't be doing this to me. I ain't this stupid anymore.
Yeeting the other way. Yeah, you kind of just get a better idea of the charts too, right? That's why you're saying like like you're learning, you know, kind of you have a better you have more experience on our charts, so you're starting to understand like why things are doing what they're doing. That's probably why you have a better idea now. Like you love it now, right? 'Cause it just makes more sense. Evolution.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I feel like as well. Like back in the day, I remember we used to literally get like wicked out, and then it would come back our direction. Whereas now, sometimes like we just accept that if we can like break the lows or the highs one more time, it doesn't always mean that you've like broken structure. It just means it could just be a wick.
That's why that's why we move our stop loss the last Saturday. That was the exact same reason why. Not a lot of people understand that.
Yeah, overall, like macro wise, you need to just look at it and see where you're at.
Closures and shit, right? Yeah.
And as well, you like most of the time, market structure lasts for quite a while. You know what I mean? You're not just gonna, unless there's massive news. I feel like you're not gonna break market structure like all of a sudden out of nowhere.
Yeah, like literally this yesterday, right? Like you see this candle that came up and broke all the highs. Look at where it closed, right? It closed respecting this resistance.
Exactly.
So just because this bullish candle came up and broke the highs doesn't mean it's like gonna continue to drive up now, right? Until it actually closes above, you know, it can just reject and continue to head down. It's still respecting the structure.
All those poor people out there stopped above that hour candle. Look at them.
Yeah, like us maybe last year would have done that, to be honest.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so if some of my stops were just like, hedge my stops. Right? It's just like, you guys understand. It takes time to understand that, though. I don't blame them.
I feel like sometimes it's like, chat goes crazy because it's like hard to right, this is obviously why, but it's hard for them to it's hard for them to see what you're seeing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And like, it's hard for you to portray what you're seeing when you're not on stream.
Yeah.
Because how are you even supposed to? You be making flipping vlogs every single day, every 10 minutes. Oh, this is what I'm seeing, guys.
Yeah, it's their commentary. That's what I gotta do. It's hard for them to keep up because they're not in my head, right? So like it's kind of like it doesn't help that I'm not that great.
Hey, y'all, look at possible three-piece.
Yeah, exactly.
So this might indicate some kind of liquidity, either down or up.
Some months at least.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been nice. The advantage point that you get on those wick
This is
entries
only 10
is just
pips right here.
Unbeatable.
And then coming down.
Yo,
What's going on, SG?
how we doing, man?
The London Avengers are here.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Janaz, where's Janaz? Is he here? Or is he sleeping?
He's out clubbing.
He's clubbing.
He's like on like a 4-win streak.
First day on first 4 streams he caught wins. All right, this guy just clubbing. All right.
Yeah, we
How
caught one.
many pips did he get last night?
What did we get? Like 20, I think, or like 15 or something like that. 15 or 20.
Was it a wick entry? What was it?
Yeah, wick entry. It was so annoying. We joined the stream and then someone was in the chat like going, "Oh, I don't know why you guys sit in a group chat and talk about your trade ideas." And then Yanez was talking about another idea and taking a trade somewhere. And then I mentioned someone else, and then I went off to go get breakfast. And then Yanez literally took the trade which I was talking about. And then we were like, "That's why we all sit in a call together and talk about ideas, is because like people see stuff from different perspectives."
Yanez had his first RR monster today.
Yeah.
Oh really? What did he say? What did he say? What did he
Oh
say?
my god, it was like some Tolio.
You can't use a 60 pip stop.
It was bad, man. It was hilarious.
So what did he end up saying?
I can't remember. Yeah, he was like
all making fun of him.
Yeah, he was like you can't use like negative RR and make profit. 60 pip stops are so stupid. You should have waited for the 30 close and then you would have had closer stops. Oh, he just went on and on and on.
He was like the best traders have no drawdown. I was like, what?
I mean,
What was his name there? Like Flaming Wizard or some shit. Like
Fire Wizard.
what if the best trader had no drawdown but negative RR today? What does that mean now?
He was like a Minecraft PvP god as well.
How many views do you have?
He had 100 viewers actually. I think he had 112 max, right? I think he capped out
100 views?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yanez is popping off.
He's popping off. Wow. Yo, DVS on top, man. We need to get everybody that DVS Sting logo under stream though, and I need you guys to get that DVS logo. I gotta send you guys that.
Yeah, you should make like a template for Streamlabs OBS and just chuck it to Yanez.
Yeah.
Wow, let's go right here, 10
If
pipper.
you guys ever stream, bro, just like stream like DVS. Like we want to make sure DVS is running 24/7, all 3 sessions. Asian, London, and New York, right?
And then you can all just sit there with no sleep.
You guys have the same crew going to every session now. The same people in the chat every session, no days off. When I'm not streaming, someone else covers up. You know, when someone else not streaming, someone else covers up. Like that's how it's gonna be.
We're gonna have trading floors in London with just all of the DVS streams on it. And they're just gonna wait for a trade from us.
DVS.
They're gonna patch it.
DVS
Yeah. They're gonna patch the 200 pip stop.
Oh man.
Nah, it's been a crazy week to be fair. I think this might be one of the craziest ones I've ever been in
You say
DVS
that
for.
every week.
No, not for me, just for the stream in general.
Oh, the stream?
Yeah.
Crazy month, I'll
You
say
could put
alone.
you could put this month on a documentary, man.
Yeah.
It's
Someone should
crazy
make a
stuff.
clip.
I feel like August is always crazy right now. Like, August is always a dodgy month.
Last August we did let me just put this here. Last August we did wow, no losses this month. 17 and 0 this month, chat in the Signals channel. Holy shit. Yeah, last August we did 13 losses, but we did 335 pips, which is similar to this month this year. But I think last year it was all half closures too. So I think this year we just net a lot more, to be honest.
I remember July 2021 was like
July
savage.
2021 was pretty good, yeah. I think it was 2022. 2021 I don't have stats for, but or I do have stats for that. Where's that? Spreadsheets.
I remember it was either July 2021 or July 2020, and we used to get caught in fake outs like all the
Yeah.
time.
July 2020. What is this? No, that's 2023.
That was when we had the Zoom
Hey,
beach.
Classic, you
round.
still there?
Yeah, I know. I can't. I don't have the link for that still.
That was when Jimmy was on.
Oh wait, is Elvis still here?
Hey, Fawn, you still there too?
No, he's not here. I need to record this. Do you guys like this? Do you guys like this journal, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
nice.
that looks sick. Looks so good.
All right. So it was a win. Manual profit. What does this mean, Elvis?
All right. So,
Yo, so how much you made off that entire trade?
Yes,
Okay,
bro.
so
All right,
I
that's
made
what's up.
Around pips or money?
Like
Look,
currency. So
look.
940.
I'm gonna break even. I might close right here.
240.
I'm a trail stop loss. Oh,
and then
damn
max
it!
drawdown, so pips.
I just didn't get to it.
So if you
All right, there we
I
go.
think
Now we're
you're already
trailing.
at,
Now we're
2.8
trailing.
pips
Now we're
drawdown.
trailing. Oh, there it goes. Close. 10 pips.
Yeah.
Gone.
Do I
Gone. Dub.
So
Dub,
put
bro.
minus
Dub.
2 point, just minus 2.
Dub,
and
dub,
max
dub.
Is how much?
Dub. Let's go. Damn, y'all, look at that. 30 pip, 30 pip, 30 pip. 3. All 3 pieces. No, this was Don's. This was a 3-piece. This was a 3-piece. And if you guys notice, nothing against Don's trade. Perfect trade Don had. But his did have a little bit of a drawdown. Mine had no drawdown. Mine had no drawdown. So that's why I say it kind of gives a confirmation.
Yeah, just do 60 then. And then kind of like the reason you exited. So this is where we needed your input, right? Just
Oh yeah, 4 hours.
more stuff.
Yeah, I know what this is. Then this is gonna be the 4-hour bottom wick on the previous candle or the 1-hour support. So it's gonna be those. So I'll say.
He said he exited because it's pretty much at the damn TP.
I'll put 4-hour. Yo, what
And
can
that should be
we
a
add
choice.
here? We can add.
You can add like just like for example, you just say like
Close enough to TP. Close it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add just because. I'm kidding.
Close enough to TP.
4-hour.
Bro, why don't you try this 3-piece
Right?
on
Is
a
that no wick then?
cent
Is that
account?
no wick?
What do you mean a cent
No
account?
wick means like
I'm not sure
for
what that
example,
is,
at the
bro.
5, there was no bottom wick.
Sorry, yeah. I'm still learning a lot. And like, what do you mean cent account? As in like the type of money? But that's why I say is that if we could take 3 to 4 trades a day possibly, and even catch a one runner. $1 account works as 100. Oh, hey. And where do you find that at? Is that like a funded? Is that kind of like a funded account type of thing? Bro, I would love to try that. But like I said, I could do it on my own. Like, okay, 10 pips. 10 pips with $100 is only $1, but that's 1%. So like I said, if we could get 2 to 3% a day, we'll be good. Profit and loss in cents. Okay. Hey, bro, I wouldn't mind. Like I said, my goal is to use $5,000. So that way, how much would that be if I, 10 pips on $5,000? Because if 10 pips on 100 is only $1, let's see. Let me see. 10 pips on $1. So let's see, 5,000 divided by 100. So that'll be $50 pretty much on a 10 pip. $50, $50. That's not too bad. I need more than that maybe. But then, like I said, you do 20, 30 pips in a day. That's 150, and then eventually if you could get to 10,000, you could be making 300-400 a day type thing. Yep, it's for practice, mature your strategies. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. One thing is that, like I said, one thing is about me is I'm honest with myself. Even if I take a practice trade, if it doesn't hit, like, you just have to be accountable. I know the money makes it legit because it's like you could see your profits and stuff like that, but one thing I say, you just got to be disciplined. You know, if you lose, you lose. You got to understand. And then also too, like I said, the way I kind of built myself is I challenged myself. Like, I did my own challenges. If I couldn't double $10, I couldn't use $50. You know, so I had and I wanted to use $50 so bad, but like I said, I told myself, you can't do it until you pass this $10 challenge, in a sense. So like I said, just be disciplined on yourself. And like I said, every day I'm trying to work on this, figuring out what works better. And like Alphon, I'm not sure if you were here earlier, but I think I figured out another part to this. Let me explain it to you. So what I've noticed, look at this. This is 2 trades. Look, this is 2 3-pieces. This is 1 3-piece. This is another 3-piece. All right. Look. So what I noticed was, look, this is one first candle. This is our second candle. So what's important is how to determine if it's going to continue up or if it's going to continue down. It has to break whichever, either the high or the low first, and then come back into it. So for instance, this one never broke the high. So this is how I knew it wasn't going to come back down, because it actually broke the low first, which gave me the indication that we're going to come back up. So where I'm pretty much trying to say is the third candle, whichever way it breaks first, is the opposite way it's going to go. So for instance, this was the opposite way, or this was the same thing, I guess. Look, top right here, this is one big candle, second inside of it, and then the third candle is what wicked down and came back up. So since it let me know it went down first, then up, that's how I knew it was going to go up. Had it went up all the way up here and then came back down, that's how I would have known it was going to continue down. Because in order for it to go down, it's going to have to break this high candle right here. That's what I've been noticing. So this is why I'm saying too, maybe this is a good way to figure out the 3-piece on how high we're going to go. You see how I closed on this 30 or this 10 pip mark right here? This is an indication that we're going to probably go up to this top line, because in order for us to come down, we have to break this like a 3-piece would. You guys get me? So that's what I'm saying. So had this candle came all the way up here, we would have continued down. But this is why I'm saying, this is why this candle is probably going to make it all the way up to this point. Because why? Because a 3-piece, we would need to break that to come down. So if we want to come down, we're going to have to break that to come back down, which is also going to give us a target. So that's maybe a good thing too, is that how high this candle is a good indication of how high we can go. So let me just put a line right here. Let me just see. Let's just see if we do go there. And like I said, there's another piece to the 3-piece. And like I said, every single day I run these tests, I'm coming up with a new solution on how to make it better, how to confirm it better, and stuff like that. So,
If you was still here last year,
like I said, I love DVS, bro, but I know one day I'm gonna be able to have my own strategies. You know, I might have BMS, Team BMS. You know, Team BMS is Team bitmesone. So BMS, DVS, collabo. Hey, bro. All right, look, Fawn and Classic. Let me tell you guys something. Remember this when I tell you. One day, Donbo's gonna have me on his stream, the same way he had Nick from Time to Eat on his stream, because I know where I'm heading. I could see it already, bro. I'm happy with where we're going with this trading, and this is why I'm saying, guys, trading is only hard when you don't have confirmations. When you have a 3-piece confirmation, doesn't it give you guys a whole lot more confidence in where you're getting in, where you're getting out, and stuff like that? So that's why I say it's like, we have to keep finding confirmations. We can't, we can't keep going the same way with no confirmations, because like I said, that's where we mess up at. So classic, imagine what I could do with this 3-piece if I could use those candlesticks from way previous times, you know. So that's why I say it's just like, just in time, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, this is right.
That's when you know times are hard.
Times are tough last year. We had a rough start to August last year. That's why. It was a rough start.
Oh man.
Like, everyone's like, I knew you couldn't trade live, Don. I knew it. This entire time you're a trading view trader.
See, look at guys. Look at where it's heading. Exactly to that top wick, like where we were expecting, right? And that's 23 pips right there. So we could have secured 23 pips. So that's where I'm saying on the future, for the future of these 3 pieces, in order for us to come down, we have to break that first candle. So that's why it's a target. Sometimes the candle's not that high, because if you notice, well, this one was actually pretty high. Look at this one was long, but let's say the top wick, for some reason, it closed up here, and then this one only has this little bit of range. It's just, you know, there's not much range for it. But oh, and look guys, it touched exactly right. So what is going to happen? This is the liquidity to possibly come back down to where our 3-piece was originally, which could be, let's see, this would be a 10 pip move, possibly down too. Oh, it's still going. Oh, it's still going. But like I said, look, if it were to come back down like that, look, just like that, that's where I'm saying hits top wick, you rock, bro. Told you. See that, bro? That's what I'm saying. It's literally just, and then look, what did I tell you about the 3-piece before? We needed to come up before we come down, right? So this just hit the top wick. So what that would tell me is we're going to come back down 10 more pips. So look, our entry would have been right here at this top wick. And let's see if what happens. This is why I'm testing it. Every single time I have a test, I figure out why this did that, why this does that. And this candle doesn't have a bottom wick, so that's kind of why it's going to tell me. You rock, bro. I appreciate it, Fawn. Thanks, man. And like I said, just remember, a year or two ago, the way Don started, this is where, you know, how he got his start, you know? So you guys are super early. Let me just tell you guys that. I'm not going to ever give up on this trading. I'm going to make my life different. Ooh, dang, that's going up. I'm going to change my life with this trading. So if you guys just trust me and follow along and give it your all and don't give up every single day, try learning and getting better, bro, we're going to be just like DVS one day, bro, because the wins and stuff like that, it's going to be undeniable. You're not going to be able to deny, you know, us hitting all these wins back to back to back and stuff like that. So once I'm able to really establish this strategy how I need it, it's on to the races from here. Now it's just about consistency, showing up Sunday through Friday, making sure we, you know, take our trades the way we do, only take our trades, stay disciplined, don't over leverage, have enough for a pineapple, you know, and stuff like that. So like I said, bros, we're on the right track. Just be grateful that we're at least at this point in life, compared to, let's say, we're 60 or 70 years old and we can't comeback. You know, don't forget when you become a millionaire. Hey, Fawn, I won't forget you, bro. Like I said, Classic and Fawn, both of you guys are here before anybody, bro. And this is why I'm saying you guys are really showing me dedication. And if you guys are really, really serious about it, eventually maybe I could even make you guys a mod for my channels and stuff. And, you know, same way we build up this BMS, bitmesone, we just build it up and we just take over. Why not? Who's gonna stop us, bro? Let me just ask yourself this: who's gonna stop us? Nobody's gonna stop us. The only person that's gonna stop us is ourselves. As long as we keep going, bro, we're good. We don't have to worry about nothing. That's why I say, bro, oh, look at that move. Damn. All right, so that one wasn't a. So maybe, okay, so maybe that's what that kind of meant. You know, the fact that like how we were saying, okay, the 3-piece was right here. We went down and we touched that top wick. So what that could also mean though is that if this doesn't hit the 10 pip and come down, then what this would tell me is if we were to touch that top wick where we are, you know, at this top like we were expecting, there's a good chance that it could continue up. But this candle is not done yet. So we'll see it. Look at, that's where I say, look guys. Oh man, that top wick could have stopped a lot of people out. It could even just show a range that we could be going back up. But let's just say we got in at that top wick entry, this would have already been 8 pips in the profit, you know. So let me see, and this would have been, this top wick would have been 10 pips. Yeah, so that could have been the move right there. That little 8 pip move would have probably been the possible take profit maybe. But we'll see. Right now we're not done yet. So let's just say an imaginary stop loss would probably be, this would be 1, this would be 2, so I probably would have to do it somewhere like that. It's a long stop loss, but we'll see right now. Yeah, bro, like I said, I promise I'll remember you guys, as long as you guys don't change your name, because I'll remember you guys by the name. And like I said, maybe one day I could have my own meet and greet. You know, I could have my own meet and greet in London, or in New York, or in California, or somewhere, and you guys being part of my, you know, mod crew. Oh my God, look at guys, 10th pip again. So I was right. It is correct. In order for us to come down, we had to come up here, right? Damn, look at that. Let me hear what Don has to say about it.
We just evolve over. Oh wow, picking up here. We just evolved.
Oh damn, we're picking up here. He's
we collected data. We improved.
See?
Oh, so okay.
That was a good move, right, guys? That was another one. That would have been another 10. That would have been 40 freaking pips. 40 pips right now in this section. This is where I don't think people are doing what we're gonna be able to do. And look at what happened after. So it was a good thing. If you would have gone out, you would have gone out. But that could have been liquidity also to be grabbing.
What is this? TP hit? Okay, TP hit and then played off for what? What was the TP again? Oh wow, TP hit and just smacked. Yeah, so see? Wow. So
damn, news. Yep, that's what it was. News.
4, right? With the 77.
Yep, exactly, bro. I didn't even notice that. See, that's also one thing I need to be aware of. I can't be in a trade if that happens.
You broke the lows, chat, right?
That might have been a key factor.
Grab liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if it were to drive up, it would drive up from here. Yeah, you flip here, it should continue to drive up towards 1940. Because look, I said it earlier, even if you were to drive up, you gotta grab liquidity, you gotta form the zucchini first, right? And this count came down, formed the zucchini, broke the highs, grabbed liquidity, and that was it.
Wow, look at that move right there, bro. Beautiful.
664, yeah. It's gonzo now. Would I have gone in if I didn't get my first position? I don't think I would have had time, to be honest, to get in that position. Because we we will look for buys on the breakout lows, but I don't know. Like it flipped pretty
Yep,
quick.
there goes
when I
that
see those
news.
positions.
I almost feel like getting into a short right here because it's gonna
It
probably
flipped
come
though.
down. No probablys. We need for sure's. This is why you don't FOMO in. Cause now I'm already talking about maybe woulda, coulda, shouldas, and exactly it would go up. It would go exactly
Alright, cool. Let's
against
go
what
to
I
chat. Let's
wanted.
play a game now. Let's watch this thing wrap towards 926, and then just call it a day probably. You guys done for a day, right? Or are you guys looking for buys still?
No, I'm done personally. It's a Friday and it's late as well.
I'm going to not trading anymore.
But do you guys see how like we were bullish today, but we took advantage of the sells?
So
This morning,
lower
it's
high,
to understand what part of the cycle we're in
higher
today, right?
high, higher
Trading the
low,
pullback? Are you trading continuation?
higher
Right, so that's why our bias is
high,
bullish. But we
higher
took sells
low.
till bottom wick.
So
Form
this is one
bullish.
thing I also learned is that you never take a trade on the
All right, trade. Let's go. What's
higher
next?
high,
Pardon?
higher low,
Nah, the way you stop trade there.
higher high,
Oh shit.
higher low.
Oh no.
So you would always take a trade on a
How's that
higher
even a
low,
word? What does that even mean?
which is in
Deed?
this area
No,
to
no,
come
no,
up,
no,
this
no,
area
no,
to come
no,
up,
no,
this
no.
area to come up.
Yeah.
So let me see.
Reload it.
No.
Listen.
You guys see the screen or no? I can't reload it. Damn. Here, I'll share this.
Damn, look at this. Big old wick.
New browser.
Yep. Trade. I am not playing that game. Trade. Trade, then. Cases.
Cream. Oh no, no R. Never mind. Clean.
That might be it.
D
What?
second.
What?
Ocean.
Oh,
Ocean.
ocean. Ocean 11. All right, nice. So let's go repeat the stats here. Share my screen. Ocean. All right, nice. Some text though.
Whoa.
Yo, I'm in a meeting right now.
Oh no, I just asked everyone to unmute. You don't gotta unmute.
Yeah, I'll maybe unmute if my meeting finishes early, but
Yeah, I just requested everybody to unmute. Oh man.
Probably trade over here.
Oh yeah, forgot.
Most likely.
2024. Damn, does that mean trade will end in 2024? Because why did it say 2024? Let's put end. Oh, oh, if it said 365, that would be crazy. 323.
Powell's gonna flip the switch.
Yeah.
Everyone's getting patched. We're all gonna have to go back to work.
Action.
I'm muted.
What'd you say?
I think he said movie.
Yeah, muted.
Movie. Valentino.
Maybe fight.
Yo,
Yo. Yo, where'd you fly to yesterday?
I'm in Cancun.
You're in Cancun?
Yeah,
You at a resort?
chilling.
Oh, damn, it's raining?
Yeah,
Cancun, I wanna go.
That's so sad.
Hold on. Are you by yourself?
you gotta come out here. Yeah, by myself.
You drove there
Nobody
with
goes
your
to-
Corvette?
No. Hold on.
Yeah.
No, hold on. Nobody goes to Mexico to Cancun by themselves. What are you smuggling?
I've been 8 times the past year. Solo.
What the fuck are you smuggling? You're not there on vacation. Nobody goes to Cancun.
Bro,
You know what? Not
smuggling.
friends, not the homies, not the girls.
Hey, Fawn, I'm probably
Everyone
gonna
is
look
known
into
at
a funded
resort,
account
at the
too
bar.
pretty soon. I need to. I'm just thinking. I'm like, bro, I need to start using a funded. 500,000, 100,000, 25,000, something like that. That'd be cool.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, I can trade blueberry over here.
I didn't mean to blow up your spot. Smuggle away. Enjoy the contraband.
That FBI agent watching the stream is just reporting you right now.
Enjoy the contraband, my friend.
Okay, FTMO trial. That's what I've been hearing. I'm not sure about what a F. Like I said, I'm new to it still. I'm gonna look it up right now.
Yo, those memes supposed to be dragons, man.
FTMO trading.
Yeah, I see what Jack posted. Where is it? This is the funny one. Where is it?
Is this what it is? Is this the FTMO? Oh, 14-day trial, then go for paid
Fuck, I'm at
funded.
89K.
14-day trial.
Wow, I'm close to 100K here.
Okay, so what does you do for the trial? Like, is a trial just
89K.
like a pretty much like paper trading kind of, or if you like pass it, do you get to the next level or something?
You guys see the new intros? This is so fire. Like, you guys see this?
Where was it this morning?
It's not there yet. It's coming next on Monday, but it shows like
the Nintendo right there.
No, yeah, that's the Nintendo GTA, and then my logo, control
That's
effects.
so sick.
You don't even see the details here, but it's crazy. And this is the M4.
Who's in the GTR?
Bro, that's supposed to be DVS. And DVS.
Wait, you need to get a GTR.
Yeah.
You gotta add the SVJ manifested.
If I'm getting a GTR, it would.
Okay,
that's
paper
my
trade.
level.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's actually all. That's a good idea because that way I can learn how it works. So it pretty much the same rules would apply to that one as it would for the payday, right? Because funded account
34 is the 19.
not
34, 30.
only wants you to be in
I don't think you can drive the 34.
because funded accounts only want you to be in profit. Many other factors. Okay, yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's actually probably what I'll do. That way I could, like I said, learn
I should have passed now, no?
what works on it and what doesn't.
For 20 years.
But yeah, I'll definitely do that.
You could import them over.
Yeah, it's a bit
Bro,
25. I think
have you
98 might have been the last one.
Have you seen the GTR garage in Japan? They have like
Sick.
you see
Yeah. I see it on YouTube.
yeah, like still are a million GTRs.
Trading days, lot sizing. Yeah.
Like this is nuts. This is a shit ton of money, bro.
If you change trading timings, changes lots daily, they not approve your account. Oh, okay, so you will lost your money, bro. Okay, if you change trading timings, like as in timing, like the time frame, but changes lots daily, like changing lot sizes, so it would be smart to just use the same lot size.
It was like this.
Yeah, because like I said, I'm gonna have to look up a video on YouTube. Once you're familiar, the rules by using trial. Yep, that's true, bro. I'll trial it and then go pay. Yeah, true. I'll figure out all of the little techniques and tricks through the trial, and then like I said, I'll figure it all out. I appreciate for all the help, Fawn. Like I said, man, you know so much more than I do, which is crazy. And like I said, don't think I know everything, because I definitely don't. But the reason why I don't know a lot of stuff, I believe, is because I focused so much on learning the strategy. Nothing else mattered. I didn't spend time learning about fundeds because I didn't even know a strategy yet, so that was my main thing why I feel like I'm a little bit behind on it. But I'm also grateful because my trading was able to push up, and get better without having to, like really do things. But yeah, man, I appreciate all your help, bro. That really does help a lot. And that's why I say, maybe like I said, if you really want once I could hit 500 subscribers, I'll probably no, bro, you are a skilled person. I only have research skills. I feel you, bro, but that's the thing. That's what makes a great team. You know, if I'm able to do something successful and I'm able to help you out, and then you do something successful and you're able to help me out, now we could really build something together, you know? So I do appreciate that. You know, all of your help, your research, bro, you telling me this is saving me so much time and effort. Bro, like I said, I would have never even heard about what is this right here? This right here, MQL, man. I've been looking into it, and then Don had said social trading tool. Let's see, social trading tool. Let's see if it's on here. Oh no, product popular. They might. Oh nope, they don't have it. But yeah, that's cool, bro. I'm gonna check. Oh yeah, check Discord right now. I'm gonna check right now. Discord. Let's see. Okay, FTMO. Today's. Here, actually, I'll bring it over here so you could see it on the screen. Or is it okay if I show it on the screen? Actually, I don't know if you want me to show the numbers or anything. Just getting back my losses from that pineapple the other day. Oh yeah, Blue Book is good for social trading. Blue Book. Okay, I see. I just gained my loss. Hey, Classic, how'd you gain them on the last few trades? That's good, bro. That's. What are you talking about? We're talking about FTMO, a funded account right now. We're just looking at I am trying on trial with Don dashboard of okay, that's the dashboard. So let me show you what we're looking at right now. Or actually, no, I'll just pull it up right here. So look, this is the dashboard of that FTMO that we're looking at right now. So what we're kind of looking for is this is the guy that's also in the chat, Classic Fawn. He's trying the FTMO trial, and he's using Don's trades to pass the challenge. So currently right now he's 26% up. Today's permitted loss 564, max permitted loss 1087. Today's profit 64. Damn, that's not bad, bro. That's not bad. Slow and steady. That's all we need. Okay, let's see. Objective. Trading objective results summary. Minimum 2 trading days. So you could only trade for 2 days out the week. Max daily loss negative 500. Results 24%. Pass perfect. Max loss is 1,000. Yeah, bro. Oh, nice. Let's give it a go. I'm keen. Yeah, that's what he was, like I said, what Fawn is explaining is that with this FTMO there's also a free trial. So with the free trial you're able to learn how to do the ins and outs of it. You're also able to learn the rules and stuff. Nice, bro. Yeah, man. Fawn is legit. I like Fawn. He does a lot. He helps me a lot, man. He's speeding up my process of learning all of this stuff because he knows a lot of this stuff already. But yeah, so like this is probably our next little goal of mine is to hopefully get into the funded accounts area. And if we could get into the funded accounts, then you know we could start trading our little 3-piece over and over and over. Oh, here's another one. He sent me another one. Okay, let's see. This is what the dashboard looks like. Equity. So how much do they give you to like play with, Fawn? Do they, like, let's say your trade, for you to lose 500 or 1,000, do they give you $5,000, $10,000? Because I see equity 10,000, balance 10,000. I don't know if that's like what they give you or what, but win rate 55, profit factor 3.3, 10K. Okay, so they give you 10K. That's not bad. So with 10K, let's see. How did I do it? Let's see. Full 5 needs. $10,000 divided by 100 will be 100. So 10 pips will pretty much be about $100. And how much do you need to make? Like, what percentage do you need to make in order to pass this trial? Equity 10, average 10 days trade. Yeah, 10, 10, 10. Client area. I will still watch another video later on, just somebody maybe explaining it. But like I said, so they give you 10K, so you're up. At least you're up right now. You're up $87. That's 8%. So 8% of 10,000 will be only $800. Smaller lot sizes, yeah. And classic, what do you mean by smaller lot sizes? That we should take smaller lot sizes, or that's what they require? I'm not sure what that means, but yeah, fund 8%. So what is that? That's only $800, right? $800, and like I said, a 10 pip move gets you $100, or so. Well, I mean, that's if you're risking 10,000, but it's free trial. You can retest trial at any time. Okay. Yeah, that's actually what I'll do. I won't try a real funded until I could pass that one, because like I said, I like to test myself. Yes, you on real, you also have to make 8% to pass the challenge. Okay, that's 0.08. Yeah, that's a good 8%. Is not even that much. That's some, like with the trade Don just took today, you could have probably passed the challenge today with one trade. So pretty much it'll be 80 pips. All you need to secure is 80 pips in a sense, and you'll be good. Which I don't think, like I said, we take 8 3-pieces. We just took 3 right now, possibly even 4. You know, we could have taken 4. Or no, that was 3. But yeah, I like that. 500. What's the maximum drawdown daily? 500 max daily loss. 500 max loss altogether is 1,000. Okay, so you could only lose overall 10%. You could only lose 5% a day. So yeah, that's how that is. Cert lot size, or you get to choose. Or yeah, set lot sizes, or you get to choose. That's a good to pass the challenge. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's a good question. Like, are the lot sizes set for you, or can you use whichever one you want? But like, Fawn did say, classic, that he did say you can't change lot sizes every single trade. Like, you can't do one, because they won't let you pass that way. So pretty much, I believe whatever you end up choosing, you probably have to stick by it. Not the whole time, but you know, you can't do 1, 2, 3, 4 every single different trade. You know. And look at this move right here. Oh my God. Hey guys, look what just happened. And I missed it. Look at what just happened. Look, fellas, bear with me. Check this out. Top, bottom, inside, above, down. Oh my God. We just missed a 3-piece. But I'm not mad, bro. I'm not mad. I could take today off of trading and be happy, because the thing is I've already made so many different decisions. My decisions, because this is one thing I've also heard, if you guys haven't heard it before, they say we're only able to make like 3 to 4 important decisions a day, meaning for us to have the best answer to that whatever, we could only make 3 to 4 decisions. So once you start getting past 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, I mean, we are still following our 3-piece. We're not taking a trade unless it's a 3-piece, which is a confirmation. But like I said, I'm already made so many decisions that like my brain already feels like bleh, like it feels like slow because I'm already second guessing a three piece now. Like I'm more like, is this gonna work? But like I said, it's still working out perfectly. But yeah, that's where that's the what I'm expecting. But yeah, and I don't know if you guys ever heard. You guys know the guy, the one that used to be the one who passed away. He was the owner of Apple, which was Tim Cook, I believe. When they did an interview, if you guys notice, he always wore the same clothes. Like he always had a black turtleneck, the same pants. He never wore different clothes. And they asked him, why don't you like to switch up your clothes? Why do you always pick the same clothes? He said because that it takes a decision to pick your clothes, and he doesn't want to waste brain power on something that isn't important. You spend all morning trying to pick out a clothes. You use up all your mental capacity of decisions pretty much, trying to decide this, decide that. It's like you're just wasting decisions. So that's why he would wear the same clothes every day, because he would never have to wake up and choose what to wear. He just already knew what he was going to wear, so that way he could get started and focus on what he needs to do. And like I said, the decisions are important decisions. Obviously, so much of should I scratch my back or should I not? That's not so much of an important decision, but you know what I mean. But look at the three piece again, bro. The three piece again. That was a three piece right there. Damn, bro. And that would have been a 80 pip move, bro. 80 pips. Oh my. Bro, we're going to pass this challenge in a freaking week. I'm so happy, bro. Like I can't, you guys don't even understand how happy I am I was able to find this three piece. I don't think there's any other better confirmation than that. I haven't found a better confirmation than that. I don't think anybody ever will. I might just be goated. For that. This is the thing, fellas. At one point, I'm not going to keep explaining it because I want to keep working on it. Because like I said, every time a new person comes in, I have to explain it again. It's like I'm getting tired of explaining. I'm just going to wait till I make a video about it. At 500 subscribers, I'll make a video how I get into the and out of it so I can show everybody. And that way I don't have to keep explaining it. Don't be happy it's just because of news 80 pips. Yeah, hey, that is true. But the thing is, though, the three piece is what confirmed that. So maybe that's also a thing that we should look for, is when news happens, if we see a three piece, that's usually the one that might run. That could be the runner. But what I'm saying though, Fawn, is that the three piece is what gave us the indicator. So even if it was only 10 pips, it was still correct, So that's is why though, in these moments, you're supposed to leave a runner. Just for that reason. But like I said, this is more information that you mentioned. I'm glad you mentioned that, because that does make sense. The only reason why it does have this kind of volume is because of news. But news or not, it gave me the three piece, and that's my indicator. That's what told me, not so much just because news is on. The three piece is the confirmation even during news, which is a good thing. So yeah, but that is true, man. I'm glad you mentioned that, because I totally forgot all about the news. And that was at, let's see, that was at 10. It just happened a little while ago. Yep, about half hour ago or so. And then the next major folder, yeah. Damn, that was good. That was a good. I'm wondering if Dawn is still on stream. I closed it out just a little while ago because let's see. Gaming. Gaming. What do you mean by game? What do you mean by gaming? Or is that what Don's doing? Gaming. I actually opened up the Discord. I'm looking at the New York session. Everybody's complaining. No, so no SRT lot sizes. What do you mean? Sorry. So no SRT lot sizes. Still not understand, bro. What do you mean? Oh wait. Set. Okay, he says so no set lot sizes. What he meant. Like he says like cuz remember on the funded how you were telling me you can't move your your lot sizes up and down up and down up and down over and over. What he's pretty much saying is so no set lot sizes mean or like saying set lot sizes. I would assume he means like you have to use 1 every single time or you have to use 0.5 every single time or point whatever you choose. Do you have to use that every single time or can you move your lot sizes up and down as long as it's not nothing too crazy for the FTMO lot sizes? That's what I think he was meaning. Fawn was like I said, is there a so what is the requirement for lot sizes? Like, are you able to move them or you have to keep them the same? This is another 3-piece. All right. Okay. They want you to trade in proper way, like mini size, 1 or 0.05. Like I am trading on one lot, and suddenly I open 10 lots, like gambling. Yeah, that is true. That makes sense. So what they want what they really want is probably consistency. They want it because obviously because if you look at Don's lot sizes, it's been the same lot size all year. So, and he's not a gambler. So like I said, what they're looking for is people like Don who stick to a plan and got the same lot sizes over and over, and trade accordingly. So that makes sense. But like I said, that's a good thing to know. So when we start it, we're not doing even though this trade is gonna work out. You don't wanna, how I say, you don't wanna like keep gambling. Just keep it the same. Dang, just this one move would have hit us would have hit us that. Look, that would have been 100 pips. That would have been 113 pips on a runner. That is crazy on news. That's crazy. Hey, new subscriber. I got a new subscriber. That's nice. Appreciate you for subscribing. If you guys haven't liked yet, we just hit 226. So if you haven't liked yet, hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys for watching. Always. New York. Which one was the one that did good? London. Yeah. I didn't join it today. I didn't even trade London because, like I said, I remember I was telling you I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. I have all 4 of them pulled out. So they gave me, medicine. So around nighttime it starts to hurt. So I usually take the medicine to help out with the pain. Because what I've noticed is because I traded New York and Asian yesterday. So I was talking all day, and it kind of made my jaw hurt. So I just said I'll take that off. But today, obviously tonight we're not going to be on Asian or London, so this will be the last stream for this week. But I do plan on starting up London again. And the reason why though is that because if I stream London, I miss New York because obviously I sleep in and stuff. But I need to just figure out. I need to either pick a session or just try my best and try to do all of them. But I don't want to. I'm so focused on trying to accomplish what I want to accomplish that I can't take no days off. I have to keep going. Can't let up. And yeah, and Janus he's been streaming really good. They say he had 100 viewers yesterday, which is really good. But he also set a reminder. That's actually what I need to do too for my stream. I need to set reminders, that way people know when I'm coming and stuff. Actually, I'll do that on Sunday night. I'll set a reminder a few hours before. That way it gives people time to see the stream and stuff. But yeah, let me change back to this gold. Look at this, guys. Wow. Holy moly. And just think, if you were still in that trade from Dawn a long time ago, you would have definitely been in profit by now. See, and that's where I messed up at, is that I sold up here thinking that was my fault, like I said. Let me play some music. It's a little quiet in here, huh? Oh man, this is why I don't like this account. Plays too many of these. Oh yeah, I seen it the other day when he was in the monthly profits. Yeah, it was already 120K. And that was at, I believe, well, I think that was around the 907, 910 mark, because when it recently just went up, he would have been losing some of that. So I think it's right around that area right now, but it's, damn. And you know what's crazy? Is I bet you if I go to the monthly, where he got into the trade at, look, this could have been a possible, like, look, there's a possible three-piece right here. It just depends on how it closes. But there's one right here possibly. It just depends if this would have went up, back down, and then up. But that kind of lets you know this is the three-piece that's happening. So, I mean, like I said, we could also use that on a monthly time frame if we want to start swing trading. We could definitely find, you know, something to trade with. Damn, look at this. Massive dump. Oh my god. This is why. That's crazy. That's crazy. And even, look at, even this one that went up, that could have been a killer. See, that's the one thing too, is why I'm saying a lot of these, look at all of these positions could have had runners. This position could have had a runner, this position could have had a runner, this position could have had a runner. So that's what I'm saying, is that this three-piece usually happens around a time where it's a liquidity grab, meaning we're only going to go in the opposite direction pretty much. So yeah, man, I'm really happy with these three pieces. Hopefully you guys are understanding them and you guys are back testing it, because this will only give you guys more confidence in it. You guys have to be watching it. Yeah, I'm just grateful, man. I'm happy. And the thing is I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing for anything. I know my time will come. My time is coming. I already feel it. I trust it. I believe it. What they say is there's another version of us in the universe somewhere that has already done it. So there's a version of me that's already a successful trader. There's a version of me that's already became successful. There's a version of me that's already the best trader I could be. And the thing is though, is that version of me is still out there. I haven't became that version of me yet, but in the universe, one day I'm gonna wake up as that person. And when that person, and I finally wake up as that person, it'll all make sense. That all these hard, long days and nights was all gonna be worth it. That's where I say though, is who's gonna stop us? If we just keep going, there's nobody, as long as we don't do anything to get us in trouble, there ain't nothing that we can be stopped, bro. Ain't nobody. Ask your other version to send us a selfie with your exactly, bro. I know there's another version of me out there with a Ferrari already. He's already out there, you know. There's somewhere in the universe, there's another version of me out there already doing it. And that's why I say, when one day when it happens, you guys will remember this conversation, be like, hey, remember that version of you back in the day when we were first getting started? I'm gonna be like, yep, I remember that. And then that version of me is gonna be looking back on the version of me right now. But yeah, that's why I say, bro, this is one thing about trading that I think is the best thing that's where I think is that this trading is unlimited. There's no limits on this. It's a money glitch. I think I just figured out a money glitch is where I'm confident at. A 3-piece money glitch. It's crazy. And that's where I say, bro, I think we found something. We just got to get better every single day. And like I said, slow and steady. And like I said, this weekend, I'm going to start looking at these videos all about funded accounts. I might just say, forget it. I might go hard and get into a funded account by Monday. And we're going to start, working on it on Monday. Because, like I said, I'm just getting more confident. Every single day, I'm proving to myself that I know what I'm doing. I just got to keep going. Also create your own Discord group so we can share ideas. Yeah, that's a good idea. Fun. Obviously, I'm new. I know how to join a Discord, but I'm gonna have to look up videos how. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. I wouldn't mind starting up my own bitmesone BMS Discord, but like I say about a lot of other things, that's another learning curve I have to learn about. I have to figure out how to create a Discord and do things like that, and I'm all up for it. But like I said, it's just there's kind of things that I guess right now that priorities, I have to put what's the most important first. What's going to get us to the goal first. I understand the Discord will definitely be helpful, but let's say I didn't even know a strategy yet. We need to focus on strategy first, and then strategy, what's next? Now we might need funded, so I guess the funded will be second. But like I said, all of this could be done while in Discord, but then again, if we don't have anybody in the Discord, then it's kind of just wasting breath, So what I'm trying to do, I've been thinking about it. I want to get my BMS, belly management system. I know, bro, that's funny. Bitmesome trade, or what should we call Bitmesome trading company or Bitmesome Inc. Damn, that's funny. But yeah, what they used to call is what a long time ago somebody created it as the Bit Crew. So all my people that are in it is gonna be called the Bit Crew. You guys are part of the Bit Crew. We got a Bit Crew going. Team Bit Crew. Because that's what we are, man. We're all a team. Like I said, if you guys trust me, I'll take you guys to the promised land. It's gonna take a little time though, but we're on our way. But yeah, bro, like I said, I'm just happy that we're doing what we're doing. It could always be worse. We could not know a 3-piece. We could not know about trading. We could be struggling. Yo, Fong, where's the free one? What do you mean free one, Classic? Oh, F-Open trade. Oh, right here, trade. Right here, there's a free trial. If you look on the FTMO website, there's a free trial right there. It's right on the main home screen. There's a FTMO challenge, and then there's a free. I'll link you this right here in the Discord. Classic, I'll message you in the Discord right now. I think that is it. I think he was asking about the FTMO link. Like, I'm assuming that link that I sent, but I could be wrong. And Fawn, I'm just wondering, with the funded account, obviously with the FTMO, it's allowed in the USA. I'm just assuming because I know some things don't have in, like, depending what country you are. You're welcome, Classic. Yep, nah, thanks. Yep, you're welcome, bro. See, this is why I say the more brains that we have on one topic, the more information we all have. your brain, Fawn's brain, Classic brain, and bitmesone's brain all together could find out more answers together than we can on our own, which is why a team that sticks together is always going to be the best. Look at DVS. All of them people are loyal, and they're nice, good people, you know, and that's who you want to be trading with, those type of people. So yes, loyalty is the main success key. Yes, that is true, man. And like I said, brothers, who's gonna stop us? This is how Don started, bro. I'll fix my mic. We should get into calls later on, just exchange info and knowledge. Yeah, that's true, bro. That's actually like I'm sure you guys were watching that one time when another guy had joined the stream. But yeah, that was actually what I want to do. I want to be able to start talking to people and, you know, giving them ideas of you know, when, you know, and it makes the stream a lot better too, because we know we could talk about things. Okay, we'll also join you, Classic bitmesone. But yeah, bro, like I said, let's get it figured out. But what's your but? Let me guess. You're gonna say, but don't laugh on my English. I'm very poor in speaking English. Hey, bro, that's all right. Like I said, the more you speak it, the better you get at it. And the fact that you know two languages, and I'm sure because obviously if English is not good, it's not your first language, bro. You're killing it. You know, I only know one language. I wish I knew, because if you guys, I'm Mexican, which is I'm in California, so a lot of people around me that are Mexican, they speak Spanish and English. I don't speak Spanish. My parents never taught me no other language, but that's where I say is I wish I knew Spanish, because imagine how, or just another language. Fun, when you become successful trader, you're going to be able to teach people in English and in your normal language, in your home language and stuff. So that's where I say it's like that's going to just be a benefit for you, bro. That's like a superpower right there. Come to Dubai. Yes, I'm definitely going to have to come to Dubai, bro. One of these days, if I could make this trading stuff be a success, I'm coming to Dubai. I promise you that. We will be in Dubai. Even if it's just a meet and greet for 5 people, who cares? We're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. We're going to get there. And Don just ended his stream 3 minutes ago.
Friday, good way to end things off. We had another 100% week back to back to back. That's 1 month straight now with no losses on stream and off stream. 18 straight wins.
Classic. One day we're gonna be there, bro. One day. Most welcome. You will be my guest. Of course, Fawn. I would love that. Oh, that sounds like a VIP treatment, brother. We are definitely gonna be there one day. Look, give me 1 year from today till next time. This time, I will be in Dubai. I promise you, bro. All right, brother. You have a good day. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting off the stream too. I'm already done trading for the day. I don't know if I'll take any more trades today, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. I might jump on stream maybe tomorrow or later on today, but it's only gonna be for Bitcoin, because obviously the markets are gonna be down. But I'm just probably gonna be practicing on Bitcoin and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and I appreciate you guys for joining the stream as always. And like I said, we're just gonna keep learning and getting better. So I'll see you guys on the flip side.